The treaty was written by William Hobson and James Busby in 1840, and then translated into Māori by Henry Williams and his son over the course of a night. Crown officials believed the Māori text had exactly the same meaning as the English text, but this was not the case. At the time, Henry Williams himself didn't think it was possible to have an exact translation, which he noted on the treaty copy that was sent to Governor Gipps in Sydney. He said it was the best translation he could make given what the languages would allow. The English and Māori texts are very different in places. For example, in Article 1, which describes what is being given up by Māori, the English text says all the rights and powers of sovereignty. However, the Māori version describes this as te kāwanatanga katoa, which many believe translates to mean governorship. Some historians argue te tino rangatiratanga or even mana would have been better words to use as a translation for sovereignty. Similarly, in the Māori text of Article 2, Māori were guaranteed te tino rangatiratanga, often translated as full chieftainship over their lands, settlements, and all their property. This isn't thought to be an accurate translation of full and undisturbed possession, which are the words used in the English treaty text. There is little doubt that the chiefs who signed the treaty expected to enter into some kind of partnership or power sharing in creating a new nation state, but as history shows, this was not to be the case. Today, some treaty experts have suggested that it is the spirit of the treaty that matters most, and that the spirit should overrule the misunderstandings and differences that exist between the English and Māori texts. In various laws today, the differences between the texts is bridged by what are called the principles of the treaty. These principles are the key ideas that are common to both the English and Māori texts.